Meowdoku tips and tricks for beginners and pros. So here I am in the starting position of where only the first cat is on the board. So what I did is I X'd out all of the cats that cannot touch, and I've X'd out the fact that there's one cat per column and row. So I X'd out the rows, the columns, and the squares surrounding the starting cat. However, you would realize here that there's no actually way to know where the next cat is, because there's no one square for one color. However, there are things that we do know. There are two dark green squares here at the top. So we know that there has to be a cat in one of these dark green squares. There has to be. The fact that we know that there's a cat in one of these dark green squares, we can know that there's no cats on the horizontal line. So we can X out these squares. We know that there's no cat there. The fact that we know that there's no cats in these squares means that there's definitely a cat in this square. Let's do another one. The same thing goes here. There are multiple squares here, not just one square. But only two squares are side by side here, and that are the same color, and these are the pink squares. So we know that there has to be an X somewhere in these two, and if there's an X, we get the X's here side by side. We also know now that there are three squares the same color that are side by side, so there has to be a cat there. So we can X out these squares right here, and that leaves us with one yellow square. We tap that, and there's a cat there. There are two squares side by side here, which are the blue ones. So we're gonna X out this area. Now there has to be a cat somewhere around these. So if the cat is in the bottom blue square or in the top square, you're gonna have to X out these squares either way. Now let's look at the pink and orange squares. We know that cats don't touch. They cannot touch. Where can the two cats be on these two colors where they cannot touch? And the only positions are these two squares. So we can X all of these out. So let's do one more. See if I can show you some more. So there's definitely a cat here. X out all of these. There has to be a cat somewhere in the purple squares. So we're gonna X out these. Now there's only one yellow square left, so we know that there's a cat here. Let's X out the squares. Only one color here. Okay, so this one was pretty easy. So these are the kind of things that you need to think about, kind of outside the box. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.